I got a 2013 Freightliner with a Cummins engine, and when you turn the key, you got nothing. Most of the time, nothing. And then every now and then it will grab. Well, let me just show you what I found. Save you a lot of headache. This fuse right here. This is below this fuse box. Below these modules. Here's another fuse box. But this one right here. This one right here. This fuse, 10 amp fuse right here. That 10 amp fuse runs your transmission. And if you got a code on your dash that says no transmission, and that's why it won't start, there's the reason right there. Thank you. This has been MechTech L Service. I hope this will help you.